Welcome to Lifestyle with Neeraj. As we all know, makeup brush hygiene is very important. If hygiene standards are improper, the bacteria tend to build on unclean brushes and then transfer to the skin. Keeping makeup brushes clean is a difficult chore, one that we tend to procrastinate and overlook because it requires effort. There are basically two methods in popular use. The first one is with soap and water, which means you gather your makeup brushes together, wash them with soapy water, squeeze excess water without damaging the bristles, lay them out, and then wait them to dry completely. The other option is to buy makeup cleaning solutions. I would like to share my personal method of cleaning makeup brushes. It is effective, simple, easy, quick, not messy, as it does not require soap and water. Moreover, it is easy on the pocket. It is convenient for those who use face wipes to remove their makeup. Use of wipe to remove your makeup. Before discarding the wipe, use the unsoiled portion or the clean parts such as corners and borders to wipe your brushes. Here is what I do. I use Kirkland's Daily Facials to remove my makeup. These are good for all skin types. I use a wipe to remove my makeup, and then I use the unsoiled portions to clean my makeup brushes. For instance, these are my eye makeup brushes. I take them to the wipe and just give them a quick wipe. And my foundation brush, another foundation brush, my blush brush. You can see how clean they are getting. Here is what I do. If you follow this regimen, often you will find that your makeup brushes stay clean and need very little wiping. If you do not use face wipes, you can always buy a small pack. As I said earlier, this method is easy, effective, and not messy. If or when you are traveling, a small packet of wipes for your face and your makeup brushes is very handy. This is how I keep my makeup brushes clean and ready for the next application. I hope you found this talk informative. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.